For decades, we have been fed the exact same lie. Flying cars are always just 2 years away. We've seen the CGI, the fake concepts, and the broken promises. But right now, in 2026, the game has permanently changed. Forget science fiction. Today, we're looking at 12 actual, real-world flying cars and eVTOLs that are rolling off assembly lines and delivering to driveways this very year. Welcome to Tech Wheel, your ultimate home for the bleeding edge of futuristic mobility. Hit that subscribe button because we are diving straight into the absolute wildest machines taking over the skies right now. Kicking things off is a vehicle that looks like it drove straight out of a cyberpunk movie. Meet the Xpeng AeroHT land aircraft carrier. Forget everything you thought a flying vehicle should look like. This is a massive 6-wheel drive, all-electric off-road truck. But the real magic is hidden in the trunk. With the press of a single button, the rear hatch opens and a fully functional 2-seater electric flying drone rolls out on automated rails. You simply drive the truck to the edge of the city, hop into the flight module, and take off. Mass production has already started at their brand new factory, with a price tag hovering around $280,000. It is a literal transformer you can buy. But what if you don't want a giant truck? What if you just want to feel like you are flying a pod racer through the forest? Enter the Jetson ONE. This is the ultimate personal racer, and it comes with the greatest loophole in modern aviation. In many places, including the US, you do not even need a pilot's license to fly it. Because it is legally classified as an ultralight vehicle, almost anyone can jump into the cockpit. Controlled by highly intuitive AI-assisted joysticks, it reaches speeds of 63 miles per hour. Jetson is actively delivering these to private owners right now for roughly $148,000. While the Xpeng and Jetson are incredible, they don't look like normal cars. If you want the classic dream of a street-legal sedan that can suddenly lift off the ground, you need the Alef Model A. This is the first true flying car that actually fits in a standard residential garage. Instead of folding wings, it uses a highly advanced porous mesh body that hides 8 massive lifting fans. You drive it on the highway like a regular car, but when traffic stops, it lifts vertically. The entire cabin swivels 90 degrees and it flies sideways like a biplane. Priced at $300,000, Alef has officially begun hand-building these production models this year. Now, having a flying car in your garage is one thing, but what if you don't want to own one at all? What if you just want to press a button on your phone and have an air taxi drop out of the clouds to pick you up? That future is already here, and it starts with the EHang EH216S. But there is a massive catch with this one. It has no steering wheel, no cockpit controls, and absolutely no pilot. It is 100% autonomous. You simply climb inside, tap your destination on a sleek touchscreen, sit back, and let the artificial intelligence do the heavy lifting. It sounds slightly terrifying, but it is actually the world's first pilotless flying taxi to receive standard airworthiness certification for commercial operations. They are actively expanding their flight routes globally this year, meaning your next international vacation could involve a robot flying you 1,000 feet above the traffic. If stepping into a pilotless drone feels a little too extreme for your morning commute, let's bring it back to something a bit more familiar. The Joby Aviation S4 is essentially the Uber of the sky. Backed by heavyweights like Toyota and Delta Airlines, Joby isn't trying to sell this vehicle to the public. They are building a massive on-demand commercial ride-hailing network. The biggest problem with traditional helicopters is that they are deafeningly loud and annoy everyone on the ground. The S4 entirely solves this. Utilizing 6 advanced electric rotors, it is designed to be whisper quiet, literally engineered to blend directly into the background hum of a busy city. As of 2026, they are aggressively pushing their commercial launch, meaning a grueling trip across a sprawling city that usually takes 2 hours in bumper-to-bumper traffic will now take you a relaxing 12 minutes. Operating right alongside them is the Archer Midnight, another absolute titan in the commercial air taxi game. While Joby is focusing on quiet urban rides, Archer has partnered directly with United Airlines to completely dominate the dreaded airport shuttle route. Instead of paying for a miserable, cramped cab ride from the airport to the downtown district, you will soon board the Archer Midnight. It comfortably carries 4 passengers plus a pilot, cruising at speeds of up to 150 miles per hour. The true genius of the Midnight, however, is its rapid turnaround capability. It is specifically engineered to perform back-to-back 20-mile flights with only 10 minutes of rapid charging in between. It's a high-volume, relentless machine that is actively setting up vertiports in major cities right now. The race for urban air dominance isn't starting tomorrow, it is happening directly over our heads today. But what if you aren't looking for a taxi? What if you want something that lives in your own driveway? A machine that is as comfortable on the highway as it is in the clouds? This is where the world of personal ownership gets truly wild. Leading the charge is the Samson Sky Switchblade. This isn't just a flyer. It is a 3-wheeled, street-legal sports car that can hit 125 miles per hour on the pavement. But here's the Switchblade moment. At the touch of a button, the wings swing out from beneath the chassis in under 3 minutes, transforming it into a high-performance aircraft. In early 2026, Samson Sky secured massive international orders, including a landmark deal for over 300 units in Central Asia. With a flight range of 500 miles, you could drive out of your garage in the morning, take off from a local strip, and be 2 states away by lunch, all on a single tank of premium autogas. If the Switchblade is for the pilot at heart, then our next entry is for the gamer at heart. The Doroni H1X is specifically designed for people who find traditional aviation controls too complicated. Just a few days ago, in April 2026, Doroni held their massive Soul of the Sky event, pulling the curtain back on the production-ready H1X. The big selling point here: you don't need years of flight school to master this. It uses a single intuitive joystick and a proprietary AI co-pilot that handles the stabilization and safety protocols automatically. It is essentially fly by intent. If you move the stick left, the AI figures out the complex physics to make it happen safely. It's an all-electric 2-seater that fits in a 2-car garage, and it is officially leading the race to make personal flight as easy as playing a video game. Rounding out this trio is the Air One, a vehicle that just made a huge splash at CES 2026. While many companies are still stuck in the testing phase, the Air One is officially in production right now. This is a sleek, collapsible wing beast that was designed for the ultimate backyard takeoff. It's powered by 8 electric motors, giving it a redundant safety system that ensures you stay in the air even if a motor fails. What makes the Air One a retention magnet is its human-centric design. It is built for people who want to own the sky without the complexity of a private jet. They've already surpassed $1 billion in orders, and the first production units are being handed over to customers this year. The message is clear: the days of coming soon are over. As we reach the final tier of our list, we move into the machines that are defining the luxury and high-capacity future of 2026. If you've ever looked at a drone and wondered, what if I could sit inside that? Look no further than the Volocopter VoloCity. This is the ultimate human drone, and it is unlike anything else on this list. While most flying cars use 4 or 6 large propellers, the VoloCity utilizes 18 individual small rotors arranged in a massive circular ring. Why? Stability and silence. In the crowded cities where these are launching this year, noise is the enemy. The VoloCity is so quiet that it can land on a rooftop in a residential neighborhood and you wouldn't even hear it over the sound of a passing car. It's the pinnacle of German engineering, focused on safety through massive redundancy. Even if several motors stop working, you still land safely. For the car enthusiasts watching, the next entry is the one you've been waiting for. The Klein Vision AirCar is the most Hollywood vehicle on this list. It doesn't just look like a plane, it is a luxury supercar with a BMW engine tucked inside. We've seen the footage of this machine driving through city streets, pulling into an airport, and then extending a literal giant tail and wings to take flight. This isn't a prototype anymore. The AirCar is shipping its first production units in the first half of 2026. It is a high-performance machine for those who refuse to choose between a garage full of supercars and a hangar full of planes. With a top speed of over 160 miles per hour and a range of 600 miles, it is the ultimate cross-country travel machine. Finally, we reached the final boss of futuristic mobility, the Lilium jet. While every other vehicle we've discussed uses open propellers, Lilium decided to invent something entirely different. This sleek white jet uses 30 individual electric jet engines embedded directly into its wings. It looks less like a car and more like a private jet from the year 2050. Because it uses jet propulsion rather than traditional rotors, it is significantly faster and more efficient over long distances. As of April 2026, Lilium is in its final high-speed flight testing phase, preparing to launch the world's first regional air taxi network. Imagine traveling from city to city at 200 miles per hour with zero emissions and zero traffic. This isn't just a new way to drive, it's a new way to live. The flying car revolution didn't happen overnight, but looking at these 12 machines, it's clear that the wait is finally over. From the no-license thrill of the Jetson ONE to the autonomous future of the eHang, the sky is no longer a limit, it's a highway. But now, I want to hear from you. If you had $300,000 sitting in your bank account right now, which one of these would you put in your driveway? Would you go for the street-legal Alef Model A, or are you hopping in the Xpeng 6x6 for the ultimate off-road adventure? Drop a comment below and let us know. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 flight revolution, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Tech Wheel for more tech. We'll see you in the next one from the skies.